Hello guys and welcome to my last video on differentiation. This is lesson 5 and today we're going to be looking at increasing and decreasing functions. So, the key points for this lesson are that if dy divided by dx is greater than 0, then y is increasing. And if dy divided by dx is less than 0, y will be decreasing. So, the question we have here, find the range of values of x for which y equals x cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x plus 1 is increasing. So the first thing to look at is the key point. So we know that dy divided by dx has to be greater than 0. So the first thing to do is to find the first derivative. So we're going to get 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. Now we're looking for when this is greater than 0. So the next thing to do is find the range of values of x for which this can be true. So we factorise this and we're going to get 3x minus 2 and x plus 4, I believe works, is greater than 0. So the two values of x which we get making each bracket equal to 0 is x equals 2/3 and x is going to be minus 4 if you move the 4 across. So at this point, the best thing to do in my opinion would be to draw out the quadratic from the first derivative, because this is going to help us to see when y is increasing. So if we draw this out, it may look something like this, okay? So it's got to go through minus 4 and 2/3. So we need to see when y is increasing. And looking at this, y is increasing here and here. So we can see by looking at this graph, if this is the point minus 4, then y is increasing when x is less than minus 4. And y is increasing when x is greater than 2/3. So that's it guys, they're the answers to this question. Simply find the first derivative, find the values of x, draw out the graph and see when y is increasing, and they will be the two values of x for when this function here is increasing. So that's that lesson guys. I'm going to do one more lesson on differentiation, recapping some of the key points. If you have any questions, please put a comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you found it helpful.